Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Noir's Hardware, and this is another video showing you a utility that I use in Windows 10 or in Windows 8. So let's get into it. So this is the utility. You can go to d7xtech.com, and if you go under software, and then it's called Tweaker, and it's a new one that they just added to the website, and I've been using it. If you go here, you don't have to pay for it. You can get the free version of it, and if you click download, and I didn't download it yet, so I'm just gonna download it because this is another computer that I'm using. Open, close this tab, and then so this menu pops up, and what you have to do is extract the folder, and then after that you have it extract. You can close the other folder, and if you click on the utility, click yes, and then close this utility, and then this is the free version. It says it right here, Tweaker version 1.5.7 by d7xtech.com from the website, and this is the free version. So basically the paid version is like has more features, but this is the free version that has less features. So this is what it has on the main page, like to disable folders for Windows 10, disables warnings from none. So what this means, it means like to disable folders or notification from other than Microsoft. So like if you're downloading a software or something, so it wouldn't notify you if something went wrong with that software if you want to do that. But I don't know, why would you want to do that? And then this one just like disables the Windows Manager, and I don't recommend doing that because that would make Windows 10 less make it it's not gonna work at the point that you want it to work at. So it's gonna be less control over it. And then this is the Pacific time, like time zone, and then this is like other settings that you can do. You can enable the classic blue screen of death. I don't know, why would you want to do that. And then you can enable or disable the auto reboot on the blue screen of death. You can enable the boot options, so you can change it from UEFI to legendary F8, boot menu, able Windows 10 to install services in save mode. I don't recommend doing this because this is gonna ruin your Windows 10 installation. Um, um, Enabling the auto close app during shutdown, don't do that because that will open apps during the shutdown, and it will cause problems in your Windows 10. And then disable low space disk check. So what this does, the disable low disk space, that would disable it. So basically, if you're running low on space, it wouldn't tell you anymore. It just would leave you putting stuff on the disk until it fills up, and then it wouldn't show you the error that it's full or anything else. So every time that if you don't go into your file explorer and then click this PC, it wouldn't show you the disk if it fell or not. But I don't recommend disabling that because once you disable that and you want to store more stuff on your hard drive or your solid state drive, it wouldn't let you. So don't do that. And then performance, this is just like performance stuff for your computer. You can increase, you can decrease, you can change stuff like in Windows. You can read through it. You can download the tool and read it and do whatever you want. And then functions, like you can disable Cortana, disable bring in the start menu search. You can disable indexing, which you can do that by just going to File Explorer, going to your C drive, right click, and then go to Property, and then it says right here, allow files هذا. It says allow for folders blah blah blah, and then you just can uncheck it and then click OK, and it will go through it and clean up everything, like your indexing and other extra folder that you don't need on your hard drive. I already did that when I download Windows. First, when I download Windows, I do that because it wouldn't take that much storage off my hard drive, so I don't want it to use that much storage. So I can do that. And then when you install Windows 10, it comes with OneDrive. You can uninstall OneDrive from the utility, or you can go to your control panel, go to programs and features, and then uninstall it from here. It says it right here, Microsoft OneDrive. Click on it, uninstall, and then you can take it out. Or you can go to your settings. This is the settings, and then go to apps right here. And then if you see on here, OneDrive. So it's not on here. Oh, yeah, it is. And you can uninstall it from here. And you wouldn't have OneDrive anymore on your computer if you want to do that. And then this is same thing for storage stuff. And then if you want to enable the registration for backup, so if you have a second hard drive and you want to backup, I don't recommend doing that. Keyboard, disable insert key. So if you have your keyboard and you want to disable the insert key, I don't know why you want to do that. It doesn't make any difference. Enabling it or disabling it, it's the same thing. It's not gonna basically do anything if you don't press the button. It can disable driver updates. I don't recommend that because like if you get mouse, keyboard update or any updates for any of your stuff that you have on your desk, I don't recommend doing that. So don't do that. It's not worth it to disable like drivers update because like basically your screen driver would not update your like any software you have, it wouldn't update. So don't do that. It will make problems for Windows 10 and wouldn't fix problems. And then disabling the automatic update of app stores. Don't do that because like so there are some apps that want to update. So basically like Spotify for example, Spotify gets its updates from not the website, it gets it from the Microsoft App Store because you can download it from the Microsoft App Store. So you don't disable it. Able classic photo reviewer. So basically when you open photos in Windows 10, you can disable the classic photo reviewer and like download another third-party app or any other party app. You can use that and disable this one. Able, I don't know what that is, but I don't do it. Show recommended of. I don't recommend playing with the PowerShell with the Windows 10. Power. This is your power, so basically you can put it on high performance, and then you can put it set to sleep. Sleep timer. I don't recommend doing this for desktop computers, but for laptops you can do that. And then set hibernation. I don't recommend doing that for I don't recommend doing sleep or hibernation for desktops. I recommend them for laptops because you have batteries, and the desktop you don't have battery. You have plugged into the power, so you don't have to do that. Set time screen out. You can do that. I don't do that. I mean, I just click Windows L and then will lock my computer, for example, and that's all I can do. And then here you can disable the lock screen. So basically when you lock your windows, you can disable that lock screen. You can hide interactive icons in the notification. So basically your icons in the notification area, you can hide these. I mean, I don't care about them. Disabling adding shortcuts to your shortcuts. I mean, you don't have to do that. You don't have to disable it, basically. I mean, it's just shortcuts. You can. So this is basically what it's doing. So if you have a shortcut, let's say of the Google Chrome app software, like the app, and then you want to do another shortcut, you can. And then, but you want to do a second one, you can do that. So just disabling it. I don't know why would you want to do that. Launching folders in separate processes. I don't play with these stuff. And in here, I don't basically change anything. Launch Explorer into this PC review. So basically, when you open this File Explorer, if you don't want it to open to the quick access, you can change it to open to this PC. So once you click on it, and then it will just take you right away to here. So it will take you to your local C drive and your local D drive in this window, if you want to do that. And then disabling. There's like a lot of stuff in here. Like you can disable and enable. You can show stuff, hide stuff. You can do all that kind of stuff. Themes, you can change the themes for your windows, so you can have it light mood, dark mood. So basically, for my settings, I have it dark mood. If you or you want the white, like to have your background white, you can do that. And then on the set wallpaper, you can pick a wallpaper. Click here and then choose. Go through your files and pick one. And then desktop icons, so you can get your recycle bin, my PC, this PC, my documents, network, control panel, internet explorer, god mode. I don't recommend the god mode. I don't recommend application folder. Right click, desktop lock. I mean, this stuff is basically, I don't know why you want to do that on your desktop. Maybe because if you want to shut down your computer by just clicking on a button on your desktop, maybe. And then you can create shortcuts here. Name the shortcut, put the URL, and then this is for your taskbar menu, like when you click to go to shutdown or your menu from here. So you can change stuff in there. I don't play with these stuff. Network sharing, I don't do anything with network sharing. Branding, I don't do anything with branding. Basically, I just do the stuff that I know would make Windows 10 better, but I don't disable like stuff like basically low disk space, disabling apps or disabling anything else. I just use this software just to disable the, what's it called? If I want to disable the Cortana or install OneDrive, if I cannot uninstall it from the control panel, if there's any other feature that I can enable or disable, I do it from here. Like the power play option, I can do it from here, or I can do it from the Windows settings. And these are like the dark mode, for example, the theme. I can come through here and do it. I can pick dark mode, and then click able, and it will able it for me, and I will have dark mode in my settings app and other stuff. But I don't play with the network and other stuff because that would mess up my Windows 10 installation. And this is the utility that I've been using, and I've been having no problems with it. This is the website. The link will be in my description on my YouTube channel and the video notes. And I will have the link for the other video that I did on the other utility that was Twerker. No, let me just put download. And I did a video on this utility too. If you want to go, I will have the link down below in my description. You can go check out this video. And these are the two utilities that I've been using for right now. If I have any new ones, I will be making a video on. Thank you for watching.